Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Many people wonder if you can save Spam after you open the can. The short answer is yes, you can definitely save it for later. However, you should never leave open Spam in its original metal container. Once the seal is broken, the metal can lead to a metallic taste or even rust. Instead, you should transfer the leftover meat to an airtight container or a heavy-duty plastic bag. Make sure to seal it tightly to keep the moisture in and the air out. You must store this container in the refrigerator immediately. When kept in the fridge, open Spam will stay fresh for about 3 to 5 days. If you cannot finish the meat within that time frame, you can choose to freeze it. To freeze Spam properly, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Then, place it inside a freezer bag to prevent freezer burn. Frozen Spam can last for up to 3 months without losing much quality. When you are ready to eat it again, thaw it in the refrigerator overnight. Always check for signs of spoilage before consuming leftover meat. If the Spam smells sour, looks dull, or feels slimy, you should throw it away immediately. Safety is always more important than saving a few slices of meat. By following these simple storage steps, you can enjoy your favorite canned meat over several meals without any waste. Just remember to keep it cold and keep it covered. This ensures your Spam stays delicious and safe to eat every single time you crave a quick snack or a salty breakfast side.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.